Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Magali and today we're gonna be working on some Valentine's Day strawberries. So we're gonna start off with our chocolate, and today I decided to use some almond bark that I got from Walmart. And before I forget, everything is linked down below in my description box. I always forget to tell you guys that I link everything, but yeah, if you go back in my videos and are curious to see where I got my stuff, you can just check my description box because everything is there. But anyways, these strawberries are so simple. The first four, I decided to keep it the classic Valentine's Day strawberry, which is white on white. So I dipped the first four strawberries in white chocolate, and I'm gonna drizzle them in white and use these cute ass sprinkles, you guys. This is the only thing that's not gonna be linked down below because those are actually from Home Goods, I believe. I bought them a while ago, but they're like probably 5 different sprinkles that I bought at Home Goods. So don't sleep on Home Goods, y'all better go check it out. And tell me why those sprinkles were like $3. So probably for this whole little container, I probably paid like $10. And I have another one. I have 2 of the same size. And probably for the both of them, I probably paid like, shoot, I don't even know. But I do have a video. I'll post it in there because I did make a TikTok a long time ago when I made it. And you guys, don't sleep on fucking Home Goods. This was my first time using Color Mill in the color Candy. It's like a really cute pink. It actually has like a little purple tint to it, so it's like not like Barbie pink, but kind of like Nicki Minaj pink. If you know what I mean, then you know. Anyways, I really like this pink, but I did end up mixing some of my Chef Master pink in it, which I do end up regretting, you guys, because my marble does not ever come out like that. But I just wanted it to look a little bit like, just to add a little bit more dimension, so it's just not one straight up color. So my next 4 berries that I'm gonna dip are gonna be marbled, and this is what I mean by I regret putting in that Chef Master, because for some reason it was coming out like clumpy and like made my chocolate thick. Did you guys peep that? I don't know, like it was separating also. Like I think you can see it more on this strawberry. You see how it like separates? I don't really understand why that happened, but it's never happened to me before. I mean, the strawberries still look cute and they were edible, so it worked out. If you guys have any tips for that, please comment down below because I would like that to never happen to me again. So yeah. But anyways, the next 4 strawberries are gonna be probably my favorite strawberries of this set. They're gonna be pink strawberries, and all I'm gonna do is do the little loop-de-loop design, and I just can't get enough of this strawberry. I literally add it to my Valentine's Day boxes and also to my Mother's Day boxes because they just look so cute, and like, I don't know, there's just something about them, okay, I just love. I think I will forever be obsessed. When I'm telling you obsessed, I mean fucking-cessed with my red boxes. They're like perfect for everything. Like they totally yell out Magali. Like they're so beautiful. They like make my orders 10 times better. Not joking. And always use mini cupcake liners. I think I will forever say this in a video because they make your boxes look so much freaking better. It's not even funny. Also, you guys, I'm sorry if this clip of the video is a little blurry. I don't know why it came out like this. I kind of zoomed out on my camera and it just happened. I have no idea, but I promise I won't do it again, you guys. I just didn't even realize this was happening. So yeah, forgive me. Also, if you guys noticed my pattern, I always do like 2 of one pattern in each corner and then 2 of the same pattern in the middle. And then for my second row, I did the whole 4 berries that I used for that pattern, and then the bottom is the opposite of the top, if you guys get what I'm saying. I mean, you guys can see it. This is usually how I do all my boxes. And yeah, the middle part is gonna be all the same because I'm gonna put letters on it. And this mold, I did get it off Amazon, and I will be linking it down in my description. It's my favorite letter mold. I believe when I bought this one, it also came with a lowercase version of it. So yeah, they'll be linked down below. Anyways, look how cute this is. I ended up doing the letters ILY for I love you. So yeah, I hope you guys like my video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!